Sometimes they too honest, man. Um, Sometimes it's just too honest. We are trying to see if we're gonna get anything out of this. Um, well, yeah. No, I'm using the 2 hour right now, or yeah, the 2 hour because we're sitting inside of a 2 hour end cap. Um, and that's the 4 hour right there. Maybe I should pay attention to that. But um, yeah, got to get out of this area right in here. I don't. This is just gonna chop till it does. I can see us coming down all the way to this right here, though. That kind of breaks the rules of the system because you'd be shorting when it says longs. But that's just a pullback. But that's the open right there. So that would become sweeping the open. And we did just blow through yesterday's high, which is right here. So that could be just a retest of it, or it could be just coming down and sweeping the rest of the our Friday's day in a short. That would be nice if it did that all night long and just short it, leave it alone. Be fucking sweet. But I'm not gonna take the setup yet. I don't have my confirmation. And with my restream, I can allow guests to rebroadcast my stream on YouTube and Facebook and stuff. And then those people could put in their own affiliate links, man. That's fucking sweet. That's actually pretty badass. You can even do it on anything on TikTok, honestly. That's pretty slick. It's just my stream key that you would have to put in. That'll get you some affiliate sales right there, man. Everybody will be a streamer. I got the beta FLB prop engine on sim account right now. Just waiting to see if it's. I mean, the market's only been open 2.5 hours. It took a long and closed it for profit, so it's good. At the open, but it is. I don't know if I'm gonna let that one run 24 hours, man. I think I'm gonna just do US session. I'm on prop firms, anyways. I don't know if I would. Why would I want to do that? It's pulling. It's catching the momentum shifts throughout the whole day. So, like, I don't want to let it take the whole day. I mean, sure you could, but you'd have to do some funky scheduling with the filters. This is moving along quite slowly. No, still waiting. Still waiting. Well, that was a nice little push there. Trade Shield is still saying no trade, and it's correct. We are inside of chop, and we don't want to be trading there. This is our PDH here. Talking, what's up, man? We're a little late night, see what's going on, kind of shit, man. See if we can get a little bit of trades. But we are in no trade land right now. Unless this dumps out, I might counter trend trade this. I don't know. I got to see some real clear rejection of the institutional level right here. But to make it to the next one, we've got to dump VWAP for the day so far. I just don't see that happening. But who the fuck am I, man? I don't know. It could. Wait on this 15-minute candle. Yeah, gray is chop. Well, not necessarily. It's just it's not aligning with the true bias. So I'll show you real quick what I mean by that. This right here. So this is our this is the FLB and this is Trade Shield. So when the daily zone breaks away from the, yeah, it's the ladder on there too. But when the daily zone leaves the range for the daily candle, 69% of the time it stays that way, according to 1,748 days of samples. And then 30% of the time we rotate. And the way we know it's rotating is it will physically. So see how this comes up. We've got confirmed trend this way. And then the same with this going down on that day. But this is a rotation day right here. We go up, it comes down, and then the zone actually follows it through right here. So this is telling us that the day is rotated and we don't want to be looking for longs anymore. But if you look at something like this, let's find where it tricks you. They do a sweep right here. Look. So this comes up, this is 9:40 in the morning, right? Comes up and dumps, and everybody's thinking, oh God, we're rotating, and they're going to start, creating little lows and whatever else. But if you look at the system, it comes back up and pushes back up through. This zone did not follow it through. So this is considered a trend day still. So this is telling you, don't short this. It's not going down unless this follows with it, right? And I'll give you an example of when it does actually follow with it. And you will see, there you go, right there. So this is an example of a true rotational day where it started out bullish and then dumped, and the zone fell through. So you would find your entry on lower time frames down here somewhere to get into the trade. Or you could probably take this this breakdown right here, and I would find a institutional ladder entry or something. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so I would scalp from here to here. Honestly, that's 100 points. It's good enough. So that's how that works. And then that is actually powering this right here at the top, the table. So where it's telling me no. And then this zone right here is actually the 4-hour zone, which is the 4-hour candle. Yeah. Yep. So this is either this is going to fall down and fall through, and we will get bearish sentiment, and then I will start looking for breaks of this end cap here, which is the 4-hour end cap. This is where the previous 4-hour value pretty much is sitting. And if it does break through it, then I'll look to trade from like this institutional zone here to this one here, and get into the short there. But if it holds and it breaks back up above this zone, I'm going to be looking to trade through this that's already been mitigated and look for longs going to something like this right here. So we'd be looking for like that kind of an entry, right? So right now there's really nothing to do. Just fucking chilling, don't do nothing. And this is what keeps us out of the bad entries and the bad chops, and looking at like price action that's deceiving. This keeps you out of it, right? So that right there is the value in the fucking system right there in itself. Is it telling you, hey, don't trade right here because it's not a probable time to get into a trade, honestly. And then this zone right here is the 4-hour candle turned into this, and since it's in line with the main trend, it'll flip bullish and lets you know, kind of like as a visual cue to just only look at me for longs at the moment. Or you can just go back to our legacy coloring and you can color the zone however you want. In case you put multiple zones on here and you only want one that's colored, like an entry, a 15-minute one or whatever. But I'm liking the just like that. Thanks, dude. Yep, it works. And we got some new algos that have implemented TradeShield into them, and our old ones and new ones that are being beta tested right now, and they are fucking killing it. I did a full replay back test on NinjaTrader for last week. From Monday to Friday, just clicked play, record it, and let it go, and it made 17 grand. I'm trading one mini throughout the week, so that's pretty slick. The TradeShield is really helpful on bias. So looks like we are dumping through, man. I don't know. We might hit the previous daily high right here and reject it, but that's kind of like why I'm not even thinking about front running any of this, because this is right here. And a lot of times if they want to stay bullish, they'll sweep it and then shove right back up. And that might be what this is. This might dump out here into here and then go right back up. But I don't know. We'll find out. I know we will find out. Daniel, I got to put the chat back from social media into the Discord so that people can you can see what people on social media are chatting in the Discord channel, and you can respond to them. Pretty cool. But I don't have it in here anymore. I don't know why. I don't know why. There we go. That should work now. Yeah, see, we're dumping through it. See what happens.
Beautiful.
See if it is just gonna sweep and then go back up or keep going down. 15-minute is rejecting. This is nice. Nice. Maybe just a partial gap fill from the open. It did gap out right here somewhere. Or ES did. NQ did too, actually, yeah. ES's gap is bigger. It looks like. No, that was a 5-minute compared to 15. Nah, it is bigger. Okay. Still not going to short this. We're interacting. Need to get back in. Yeah, man, do it. Do it. Interacting with the previous daily high right now. What's up?
I was just seeing.
Yeah, get back in, dude. Start trading some accounts, get some payouts. Falcon, can you hear me? What's this right here? Oh, whatever. Okay, good. That's good. So this 15-minute is dojing out, kind of like. So yeah. Yep. Get to the trading, my friends. Never better. So we've got ourselves consolidation area here. Where are you? There we are. And then we just had a retest of it. I don't trust it. Like I don't want to. I don't want to fuck around here and do it. It's wrong. But that is looking pretty decent for a short breakdown to institutional year. Guess I could just throw a light position on it just to see if it holds or not, you know? Let's see what our risk would be if I did do that.
Can't tell. Is it out of the zone yet?
No, but here's the thing though, man. If this goes down, it's going from a standard deviation 2V sweep all the way to another,
Yeah.
to the low side of it, which is not really common. Like, I mean, I guess it could, but that would be like kind of like just a big sweep to run back up on, you know? But since we swept the high of yesterday so fast, yeah, I don't know, man. I think it's a.
So would that be considered would there be a time where you would say, okay, I can break my rule here?
I mean, more advanced traders, yeah. If you know how to short, sure. Like that's one
Yeah.
of my
So
one of my.
not a brand new learning how to do thing.
No. Just
Trader.
follow the
Okay.
fucking shit and you'll make money. But if you know what you're doing on these scalps like that, then I'm sure. And if you have the balance to risk something, you know. But we're sweeping this low right here that they created. We do have a gap, and we do have shit that they might want to come sweep before they run this up, unless they just dump it for the rest of the day. Which the way shit's been going, that's possible. You know, like look at every day. They've been dumps every day for fucking days. But when is that going to stop? Who knows?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just create the fucking setup, and that's looking pretty decent for a breakdown. I'm gonna might throw 2 micros on it and run it down just to see if it works out. Let's see what this does right here on the close. I just hope it doesn't just like, oh yeah, it looks like it's just gonna dump out on me. So I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go for it. Fuck it. Throw 2 on there. See what happens. I mean, it's aligning on the edge pulse too. So I just hope we don't get a wild rip back as a retracement. But this may be a support dump to catch, you know, to squeeze the buyers from down here. So that's what I'm hoping on, kind of. We will find out. Should put my risk like, honestly, like right here. Makes it a little better. Let's see. Check the 5. Okay. Hmm. I mean, they bought that 15-minute candle up right at the. Come on, dump support. Wait. I'm gonna put a sell stop at the low there. Add into this. That's starting to look real good. And I think it's worth it. If not, oh well. I'll be trading the micros in the nighttime. It is the funnest time of them all. Not really. You look at they already playing the game again. Just support now. Just drop it. I like cell stops. Thanks, man. Jeffred. Yeah, it's getting pretty crazy, man. It's starting to get like stupid accurate. Well, it's always been accurate. It's just like, how do you use it, right? Yeah. They're buying this 15 right back up again. Oh, they just got shut down. Yeah, shut them down. Come on, you little fuckers. Got 7 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I think it's going to dance around till then. I think it will. So you guys got any work yet, or are you just bouncing around doing nothing?
Hell, we just got released.
Oh, there was no damage.
Yeah, I think they worked a little bit last night, but it won't much.
Gotcha.
So I'm trading on this.
Hmm.
It don't matter what I'm trading, but how do you get the zones to light up green and red on the FLB?
You go into the settings and use the coloring mode here.
Let me look. Hold on 1 second. Let me zoom in on your screen.
It's zone coloring mode.
Yeah, I got it on regime.
Yeah, so it should change. It'll change automatically.
Yeah, it's weird it don't do it on this
What are you trading?
one. I'm trading FXXP1 exclamation point. It's the European 600.
Is that a futures?
It's a index 600, and it's a stocks Europe 600 index futures is what it is. STOXX.
Is it 24? Is it ETH? Is it 23 and 7, or is it just during their well, you're trading it right now?
Well, I'm looking at it right now. I'm not trading anything, but
Is it moving?
the don't look like it's moving at all.
Okay, then that means it's
But
probably
even previously though, the colors. I'm just trying to get the colors to enable.
right. There's if it's only moves during their session, then you have to use the stock ETF version or the ETH version
Okay.
because it's calculated differently than RTH, which is or not RTH. You need to use the RTH version, which was regular trading hours, and then you have your ETH, which is electronic trading hours, which is 24/7 basically.
Okay. RTH, regular trading hours. And that's on my.
It'll say stocks or whatever, FLB stocks or something like that. Honestly, I don't think I've updated this into that version yet. I should probably do that.
Oh, okay.
I'll do that tomorrow. I'll have it done tomorrow. Or I might have. I just don't remember. Because someone said, so I said, no, I think I did do it. Because right after I did the Zoom thing, I said I would have it done during the week, and then I went ahead and I think I did do it. All right, switch to it and see if it works.
Which one am I switching to?
The one, it's FLB, but it says stocks version. Or
Okay.
ET or ETH or ETF versions or whatever. Whatever it says in there. This feels like it's gonna dump, man. This 15-minute candle started diving right at the last of its life. So got under 3 minutes left on it. Oh, there you go. I just got filled on my other contract. Let's see if this does break down to where I want to go. Little support break scalp. It's moving
Okay, I found it.
pretty slow here.
FLB.
And this 15-minute candle sucks. We just broke into the imbalance, so the ICC traders are buying right now. Honestly, they may be right about this. I'm betting on that they're not. But it'd be nice if they're not right. But EH or ES did sweep the low of the gap. So I think that NQ is going to follow with it. Come sweep the low here, which would put us at our TP right there. Our lows right here, TP's there. So we'll see. But the second I get filled, it rips back up. Imagine that.
Oh.
1 minute left on the 15.
Oh, it did. There we go. Just this one piece. Oh.
40 seconds. Man, if they flip this 15-minute candle straight bullish at the last 20 seconds of it, I'm gonna be like, what the fuck? They do that shit. It's Asia, man. All right, new 15 printing right now. Let's see what happens here.
All right. Time to get back to the fuckery.
Oh, yeah.
You know, companies don't want to give us double time every time we're using it. They should start paying for our pipelines. That'd be a good one.
That was a nice rejection right there. That was a fuck you rejection. See if it holds. Then order book. Right back to where it was.
Huh?
Lawnmower, don't do it to me.
Boom, boom, boom. Come on, you little fucker. I don't know if we're gonna get the support or not, man. I don't know. Some battling going on right where we're at. This is the previous day high right here, so there's a battle. Come on down. Just got shut down again. We might have this one in the bag. Keeps doing that. Oh god. Watch this 15-minute candle end up being an inside candle. Ugh. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, okay, what's up, man? Falcon, check your start behavior is set to wait until flat or something. Check those boxes or whatever. Mine didn't do that when I entered. Or when I opened mine. Oh god, they're running it. Oh, shut down again. As long as it keeps getting shut down, whatever. But I'll put a check in it anyways, Falcon, just to just tell it not to enter anything until it's a new one. It is on wait until flat. Okay. Yeah, something wrong. Look at it. Mine didn't do that though, and I think they're about to run this up. The 5 is rejecting that. VWAP though. This 15-minute candle is just getting whipped around. That's the problem here. The 5-minute candle just swept the previous 5's high. That's actually a good thing right here. See if it can hold the momentum down. Mm. Maybe just wicking the zone. Keep doing that shit. That'll be good. 2.5 on this candle. Okay, that's odd. Let me disable mine and what it does. Disabled and enabled. Okay. It's not doing it. Oh god, here we go again with this fucking trade. It did, man. It literally filled me and then it just started pushing. Sucks. That sucks.
You don't like when they feel you and start pushing?
No, I don't, sir. Yeah. This thing's gonna fucking run. Or it's just a sweep. We just took the previous high, so let's see on the 15 anyways. See if I want to get out of this or not right quick. Come on. Make this the high right here and don't keep pushing. Do it. Do it now. Their midline is at the mid. Nah, you motherfuckers. This is the classic Asia shit though, dude. I'll close this and it'll rip. It'll dump. I mean, it'll dump. Let's see. Mhm. You're gonna come fill all this shit up here, aren't you? Sure is. Oops, sorry. Got fucked. Is that your high? Is that, are you satisfied with that? No? Nope. Not satisfied with it. Hmm. Later kicks, man. Mine didn't do it, Falcon. It didn't enter me on a position. Let me do some research on it. But I'll put in a check in anyways to say don't enter until a new position is created or something. Huh. All right. I'll put in some kind of check in there. I don't know why it's doing it for you, not for me though. That's weird. I did do some updating on it, so I have to publish an update anyways. I put in an option to it to close on the first candle that flips, just to get better closes when it is chopping. And that greatly increased win rate and profit factor and everything through the roof, actually. So it'll actually close. So if it's in a run and you get a candle flip, it will close it. I also put in a take profit system where you can set in, like, say you want to run, I don't know, 400 ticks. It'll run the 400 ticks and close, but if it gets a flip of candle, whichever happens first is what it does. I don't know if that's beneficial or not. I still haven't got it to work fully yet. But thank you, man. That's why we beta test these things, dude. We got to make sure we don't have any bugs before we release them. And they just want to keep fucking playing, don't they? Trying to get into a quick scalp here, Daniel. Not fucking an hour trade, dude.
Do what now?
I was trying to get into a quick scalp here, not an hour long hold.
That's why I said what I said to you earlier.
Yeah. I did a scalp on another count earlier and got 300 out of it.
Hell yeah.
I didn't copy trade it. I wish I had. That would have been bad. That would have been nice. Oh, God. Boom, 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 boom. Don't tell me this is going to 3-bar up in the 5-minute. That was a massive rejection of a 15-minute candle back down. Don't tell me this is going to push up again, dude. I mean, almost to the stop loss. So, like, thought I was good. I didn't ever put another order in. Come on, you little fucker, go down. Boom, 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 boom. And see, it said no trade. I should have been like, you know what? Fuck it, I ain't getting a trade. Yeah. Yeah. If this does drop, it's going to be brutal because look how much it's struggling. Just going to slingshot straight down. We got another 5-minute candle. This 15 is dojing, tiny as fuck. Ah, really? Well, think they got me on this one, man. It wasn't enough. Just the sellers aren't strong. Oh shit. That was nice. I think you're doing that. I think they're just giving me hope so I keep the trade open. You know? Every time I'm about to go, you know what? Click, I'm out of this. It just gets slammed right back down again. They're just going, oh yeah, we know.
Playing love games.
Yeah. And then it's gonna one, and then it's gonna flip up so fast I won't be able to close it. I don't know, man. We're getting a nice rejection off a 5-minute doji right here. So 740-ish is is the level or the bottom of it. Let's see if it holds or not. Doesn't look like it. Just some more bullshit again. More bullshit again. More bullshit. Yep. But it isn't that bad. 251. 251 is where I don't want to see it go over, really. That's like right here. But yeah, that high that was just created from that 15 right here. That swept this one. I really don't want to see it go over that. I don't know. The line in the sand. ES 15 is breaking bearish. Well, it hasn't broke the candle, but it is red. It is a red candle. Not anymore. Oh, nice. That's some nice. Some orders just showed up. Hell yeah, market sellers, click the button. Do it. Jeff, if you don't have a lot of time to trade, man, take the 1030 ERE setup. Look for it each day. It takes 1 minute of chart time. Come on at 1029, look at it. If the conditions are there, put your pending order on there and don't even look at it the rest of the day. Last year, I did it for half the year, but I went and did a whole year back test day for day with screenshots of the trades proving it. And last year it was over 60% win with 180% gain. And it takes 1 minute of chart time a day. The how you take the trade is in our strategies table right here. 1030 AERE, I think it is. One and done with pending orders. Yeah, that's what it is in the strategy section. Check it out, man. If you haven't already seen that, it works really well. That's what Gloom does every single day. Go through the chats and look at his posts, man. Dude's making money. All of his accounts are funded, and he's fucking putting in profits in his funded accounts with it. And I'm pretty sure that's the only trade he takes. Doesn't have time. And the 80%, 180% gains over for a year is badass for 1 minute of chart time a day. That's fucking ridiculous. You just can't. You can't. That's just stupid. I think I may have found a way to automate it, to be honest with you. With Trade Shield now, so I can define actual direction and know which direction to go off the end cap. But it's an ERE trade, an end cap trade. That's the 1031. So it's just breaking down. It looks like it's breaking down, my friends. Just got into a little bit of whiplash. Hopefully I don't get filled again and it rips right back up. What happened last time? Come on. First Light Beacon Pro is the Hunters Club renamed. Just trying to make it all the same. But yeah, that's where you get the live streams and everything. Sometimes I'll get on here and do it like right now, late night or whatever. Just every now and then I'll do it in here. But most of the streams are in the other server. Is this really dojing out? What the fuck? Stop playing. Just let it go. Yes, sir. You know? Dude, we were almost back at entry again, man. Like, what the fuck? Go down. Nazi Dacky, please. Just do it for me. Oh my god. New 15. See what it does. Literally sitting dead center of this candle here. Oh, NASDAQ's being so mean to me right now. So mean. Oh, they're gonna sweep this fucking shit, dude. Oh well. Really gonna just run up? Bullish. If we are, I'm not gonna just flip it. I'm waiting for the retest. But I will get into it. If this keeps going. Yeah, they're gonna sweep all this shit. They're probably not even running it up, dude. They're just gonna fucking do this right in here. Here it comes. This is where the supply was created. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. In the official strategies, there's one that's called 1030, and then there's one and done pending orders. I want to watch those two. Oh, I just got stopped. So let's see if they're gonna run it up or not. Here, I'll link you. It's right here. Where are you? Oh man, don't tell me I just got ticked and then it's gonna do what I want it to do anyways. Hmm. Come on. If this starts crashing down, I'm gonna short it again, man. I hope I didn't just get kicked out of this right here. Or they're just working the channel now. You're 26, where you at? Right here. I'll try 2 on that right there. I'll try 2 on this right here. Right there. I will try to run that. That looks pretty good. If it is going up. If not, then it doesn't look good. Oh, come on. That was a decent. I'll wake off of that. You Lord. Come on. Come on. Where is that? Okay, yeah. Come on. I'm looking for a break of the institutional and then a retest, and I'll add in some more up here somewhere. I'm kind of front running, just thinking this is going to run up for right now, which is a little risky, but whatever. Sorry. I think that's what's about to happen. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a drink. Oh, it's gonna toy with us every which way we go, ain't we? Sure is. If it dumps out from here, I'm gonna be like, fucking A, dude. You know what I mean? Because I literally got ticked out if it does. But I think we're gonna run up, man. I mean, I hope so. This would be the confirmation. That's why I'm gonna add in on it. I'm not gonna. What are you doing? Eating your microphone? Mr. Doolittle? Are you there, Doolittle? Yeah. Oh. It is the Asia whip. The Asia whip. 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 Man, my phone cord wasn't even plugged in. So this is the only reason I took this is if it does break out, the risk to reward is insane, right? So I mean, look at that. Looking at a 5 RR on that first entry, and then right here I'll get in again. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it does, man. I'm not convinced that this is gonna break out. Right now we're rejecting VWAP, kind of playing around on it after we've already dipped below yesterday's high, broke back up against it. 10 o'clock's coming right here. We're going to get a new 4-hour candle. It's going to create some new momentum, maybe. It's not quite doing what I want it to do here. Nope. If this doesn't hold, this 15-minute candle is about to get engulfed, completely wiped out. Just push up. This is probably just a fucking massive short squeeze. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? They're just chopping it. Working this range, not really letting it go anywhere. Again, it says no trade, so what I'm doing right now is just risky. Ooh. Me? I said it says no trade, so everything I'm doing right now is risky. But this 15-minute candle is about to, like, I think, take out this whole previous 15-minute candle. Kind of like a straight up, straight down thing. I think that's about I think we're about to see that happen here. Because it's not leaving any type of imbalance. Well, it is a little bit. We'll see. It's got 5 minutes left. But you sound like you're eating your microphone, to be honest. No. You did earlier, though. Oh, look at that rejection of the trend. See if it's going to hold. Yeah, man. Yeah. This shit's so slow, dude. It drives me crazy. Nope. And yep, they're wiping it out. I'm going to delete this. And see what happens. Yep, they just wiped out entire candle. The imbalance is gone. I'm actually going to close this trade now. Let's see if this breaks down. This is worth the risk on this short. I think this was just a massive short squeeze. But we'll find out here in a minute. Or they could just be trapping both sides and then not do anything with it. I mean, you never know. That's why we don't over position and we use just know the environment you're in, basically. My daily loss limit per account is $1,000, so I'm nowhere near that right now, even with these little losses. Now, if this starts to crash out, you're gonna see me fucking go in on those positions. I'm gonna go in on it. It's very possible it does crash out. We just swiped the 15 to 5 minute doji zone I got drawn. We respected the daily candle right here. We just wicked out of the institutional level, and we have completely wiped out the gains on that first 15-minute candle pretty much. So there's a really good chance this is about to just crash. So we'll see what it does. And if that's true, this was just a short squeeze and it worked. Like my stop was right here and I got ticked, and then look at it right here. See? And that's just the kind of shit they do, man. So why you use risk management and don't fucking max out everything, every trade you get into, right? I'm gonna go into a 1 minute candle here so I can try to find some re-entries on here, unless it just flushes fast, then I won't be able to. I just have to slam it in. As of right now, let's see how many ticks this is to the zone. 311. Yeah, that entire 15-minute candle was just wiped out. Here's the stops that are getting hit on it right here. We got ourselves a new 2-hour end cap. It's 10 o'clock. We're going to get some momentum into the market, possibly a 4-hour candle. This 5-minute candle. This 15-minute candle is ripping right back up. Jesus. Come on, man. We're in the 50% candle there. 15 minutes was right here. We wicked to 50% of it. So that is a good thing. That's a very good sign right there. And I'm going to go ahead. Let's see. Let's see. 194. Where's that at? The low. Like about 10 seconds for a new 5-minute. Probably about to get filled here. Come on.
What'd you say?
I said, come on.
Very slow going.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'm almost home. I gotta walk my road, so I
No
will holler
way.
at you later.
Why his
Oh,
car
yeah.
can't make it?
No, I ain't
Hey,
gonna make him make his truck go up there. It's
bad.
fucky up there. He can do what he wants. If he can get me up there, great. If he can't, I gotta walk.
Hey,
So
you gonna leave your shit at the end of the
I'm not
driveway? You're gonna carry it all. That's a lot of shit.
do what?
You got all your tools, everything with you?
Yeah, I got all my tools and stuff. I'll just put them in the van at the bottom of the hill.
Gotcha. All right, man.
Yeah. All right, brother. Love you, bro.
Later, bud. Bye. Come on, drop. We are filled. At 020826. Now that we got filled, what's he gonna do? Just sit there? Or is he gonna do something? Probably go, hey, fuck you, go back up. Ha, ha. No, I'm just saying. Let's not say that. Let's not say that shit. That's not good. No, it's not. That's exactly what it's gonna do. Look at that. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Come on. Fall down. The hell? Stop doing it. Come on. Go that way. Just doesn't move. But really? Just want to move. These last 5 minutes, the last 10 minutes has been a doji candle. Sucks. Doji. And then now it's gonna do this shit. You got to be fucking kidding me, dude. It's just gonna whipsaw the shit out of us. Either direction. There's no volume. I'm not gonna do anything with this. Just trading this range. It'll eventually break out which way or the other. I don't know. I'll let it sit. Oops, I won't do that. I really think we are going to come sweep this lows though. It might go bullish, but I think we'll sweep these first. If I'm wrong, that's just part of the game. Come on. Drop down. I wonder if where's my YM? I'll go. Where are you at? Where are you, YM? There you are. Nope. Does not enter trade yet. It's one to last 3. Nice. This could be a nice 5-minute candle here. I give some decision. We got 40 seconds left on it. Let's see if it crashes out. That's a nice 5-minute candle. I would say so. Let's see. If it closes how it closes. This is closing below PDH2 if it closes. Nope. Fucking wicked up. Come on. 8 seconds. Come on. Do it. That's going to cause some momentum, I think. Oh my God, it closed. Oh, it did close below it. Barely. PDH is right here. Like it barely closed below it. But it did do it, so that might get some momentum. Cause people to do something here. Some algos to start entering. Something, please. Anything. That would be fucking fantastic. Buddy. Anybody? I'm probably gonna have to just not watch this anymore because it's just like fucking insane. Like every candle is being covered. Every high and every low of every candle. On after any type of move. Like here, we got a 20-point move, and then it just gets whipped around. Right back up to where we started from. Hey. See you, Jeff. Yeah, they're not like price is just not going anywhere. This is just sucks. Yep. Come on, little girl. Drop to the fucking TV. Got 1 minute on the 15-minute candle. And hopefully you'll do something instead of running sideways again. Bouncing up and down, doing absolutely nothing. Mm, 20 seconds. See if we can get a breakdown here. All right, here's that candle. Starting in the right direction. Probably gonna get a little whip up first. Just taking out, took out a low right here. So let's pay attention to that. I want to pay attention to this low. See what I mean? Oh, the whips are so big. Like we don't move anywhere at all, and we finally go somewhere, and then it just fucking whips back up. But expected. Expected. Well, it's gonna clear out this whole imbalance right here, or what? Better. Not anymore. Go back down. Come on now. That's aggravating as fuck, dude. Finally get some leeway and then they take it right back. Kind of annoying. It's like extremely annoying. Straight back up. Literally waited 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 minutes for this to do what it's doing. And in 1 minute, it shoves right back up to where we were at. That's just consolidation hell right there. On this previous day high, it's just consolidating on it. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Finally getting something here. All right. If you get any pullback on that candle there. If you can get a pullback to that low there and kind of get back in on this, get another entry in. No, we're just going to crash out. Okay. We just wicked that low. Okay, see if we can get an entry here then. Shit. No, I really like about that. I'm getting it on a re-entry. If not, this is just gonna fucking fall. So might just start slamming in market orders. Honestly. Yeah, there it is. There's the low there. Okay. And here is our pullback from sweeping that low. You know it's gonna happen. 5 minute is looking juicy, or 15 is looking juicy. Everything's looking juicy here. If that is not going to sweep up, I'm going to have to use market orders on this or sell stops to get into it. I need to get in some more position sizes, some more positions. Okay, here we go. Make it filled right here. And come on. Minute candle closes in 56 seconds. $25, 23 seconds. Come on, I want this filled. Just fill it, please fill it. I'd like to get a nice entry there. Instead of marketing our stops. I might not have a choice. We're not going to get that filled. Maybe we are. Let's tell me this is going to bounce back up and range out all the way the fuck up here again before it comes down. And if that's what happens, I'm just going to call it a day, dude. Because I don't want to fucking do. That's what's going to do. If that's what it's going to do, and like range this up and down on its way down, I don't want to be a part of that. So either go beat this or don't. Don't. I'm not sitting here all night. our sell limit got filled, which is good. Now, if we could just get a nice momentum drop, I might add in a couple more and go break even on it. Oh my god, dude. Shit. Stop it. Stop it, Asia. Don't do it. This would kind of be like the trend line down, kind of close to it. So if this was to start rotating, it's going to be, this is what it's going to look like if it does it. And I don't want it to do that. So just stop it. Stop it. That's good. Better. That's probably what it's about to do, man. Something like this, it's on this like channel down, fucking rotating, sweeping high, coming down, sweeping high, coming down, sweeping high, coming. I just fuck with it anymore. It's like the longest fucking zone to zone trade on ever. Come on, man. Stop with all the whipping and just fucking come down. You know, just like, this is what I'm talking about right here. And it's like channel down. Keeps just fucking coming up to the highs and channeling back down. So they're just giving us a nice sweep. Wants to play this game here. After filling me twice. There we go. Reject this. Support turns into resistance here. Keep rejecting that shit. Fall down. Boom, boom, boom. Thought for sure that was it. I was going to snap down, but no, it wants to play a little bit more. Wow. I wish it would go down as fast as it rips back up. That would be amazing. 5-minute candles are literally in a 5-minute range. Straight here. That's exactly what they're doing, man. Just bound. They haven't come down on this one, though. This needs to rotate down to complete it. But maybe it's not going to. Oh, this is so fucking aggravating. I don't know why I do this to myself. Every time I trade late at night, I'm like, why do I do? I mean, this same move I take in fucking US session, it's the same exact move. It's thousands of dollars. And here I am fucking around trying to make 500 with some micros, right? And getting chopped around. Stupid. Why am I doing this? Like, it's literally this move in US session would be fucking like a massive amount of ticks. It would be, and I would be here for 20 minutes and be done. And here I am an hour and a half later, fucking around with this shit, bouncing around everywhere. They're just like fucking playing games, not really doing anything. Just, here we go. You know? Why am I doing this? That's a really nice rejection. But this is the low kind of that little 5-minute range they're building right here. Look at this 5 minutes straight across. See? So I'm not going to enter on it. I want to add more into this, but I'm not going to enter that, even though it broke the previous trend I had drawn in the 5-minute chart. But I want to see a trend break at this support right here from this low that it keeps rejecting. That's what I want to see. That's where I'm going to start slamming contracts into this trade. It might happen right here. Eight minutes left on the 15-minute candle. Let's see if this wicks out or it actually closes below this. Get a support and trend break at the same time. That's usually pretty powerful. Usually. It's worth the risk at that point. Two and a half minutes left on this other 5-minute. Hopefully this doesn't just whip back up, and then we'll know that the 5-minute zone is, or the 5-minute fucking little range they got going on here is just continuing. So far, so good. Get a little bit of a pullback here, if we can get one. Come on, give me a little bit of pullback. There it is. Is that all we're gonna get? Doubt it. Not as choppy as it's been. There it is. So we're breaking support and trend at the same time here. Now we just need to see if it holds. And then I will add in on this again. And hopefully that will be the momentum down. Sorry, excuse me. That we're going to need to finish this out. And it should be pretty quick if it's real, right? So that is... see if that's fake or not. Just getting fucked around with. Look at it ripping right back up into it. God damn it, dude. Oh, my goodness. Wow. That entire range dump just got ripped right back up. Look at this. Here's the range. It broke down from it finally and then straight back up in like a minute. It took all this forever to get down here. And now here we go. Ripping right back up. For fuck's sakes, dude. Just a little aggravating. Like you finally gain some traction and then like instantly it's gone. So annoying. That's just part of it. In this 5 minute, I mean, look at it. Look at it. Finally, but look at this breakdown and then boom, straight back up to the top of this trend line. Then we'll see what it does. To this low here, that was a significant low. Is it going to respect it or fall through it? Did that high get taken or that double top? That double topped. Okay. Let's see the pullback of that and see if it's going to drop. There's the pullback. And let's see if this is going to continue bearish or is it going to rip up. Great. That's not good. We want it to stay below this line here. I'm going to make sure this doesn't happen again. See how they came down, retested, and then slammed it up? We don't want that to happen here when it's pushing up. So that kind of is what happened. Just to read the pullback was small as shit. Great. New 5 minutes. Oh, that's not good. Yep. They are fucking around big time. They just swiped out these highs right here, double tops. And let's see if we get a support break here. Or is it gonna fucking run? We can get trend break up. That's fantastic. Can't believe I just sat here all this time and I'm back to fucking break even, dude. This is Asia for you. Looks like it's about to break out up. shit's getting shut down right there. There is supply there. I'm trying to see if it'll break back into the channel. If it does, I'm about to short the fuck out of it again. Come on, dump the support. It's fucking. Now we're in this range right here above the. Come on. Ooh, that's nice. There we go. That's what I want to see. There's some fucking nasty shit right here, man. Just all over the place. Come on, man. Good God, dude. Jesus Christ. They won't stop this shit. Mm. What's up? Hmm? There we go. Back in the channel. See if he holds. Yep. We were for a second. There we go. Looking for an ad in here. Back out of the channel. Ripping. I guess that low was like super important or something. Oh, that was nice. Okay, let's hold that. Got shut the fuck down. See if it breaks this low. Come on, baby. Break that low. Oh God, here we go. Come on, break the low. Sweep that shit. Mm. So this did wick that out, causing this, and it got shut down, and now it's fucking running back again. Here we go. Come on. Don't hold the low. Dump through it. Show us you're coming back down. Mm. Nice. Oh man. Jesus. Well, that's it. I'm not playing this game anymore. If it stops me out, I'm done, dude. I'm not gonna fucking sit here and keep doing this with them. They're just there's they're like fucking around with everybody. Price hasn't moved in hours. It's just in this it's right here. Yeah, they see, look at it going right back now. It's just they're just stealing souls. Did it break the support? Hell yeah, it did. I'm adding in on that shit. Oh, come on, man. Really? Ah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Nope, that should have been a flush. That should have flushed. Not fucking do this right here. Back to bullshit. Oh, there we go. Probably gonna add it again here if this confirms and rejects again. Because then we're coming down. All right, I've got 10 in now. That's pretty decent. See if we get what I want out of this. I just want to flush, you know? Straight down, flush. Oh my god, dude, we're getting fucking fucked with again. It's just nonstop. This choppiness is horrible, man. It won't make a fucking decision. There we go. That was beautiful, actually. Fucking gorgeous. As long as it stays going that way. If you can hold it, man. Maybe I can get a full position into this trade here. Looks pretty good to me. And here we go with the fuckaroos. That was an amazing dump, and now it's ripping back up. Oh. Holding the low over here that we actually have already swept. People are buying it exactly on it. See that right there? Boom. Here was it right here. We swept it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. People are buying it. Gonna fucking range again. Mother offer. Just trying to get good add-ins, and they just keep whipsawing every add-in. Okay. Let's see what they're doing here. Well, we are in the channel now. So we should see that nice sweep down. See if it's gonna hold, but we're building a broadening wedge right here under this shit. See if that actually is true. Oh, that was nice. Five-minute candle ends in 1 minute. Yeah. Getting a lot of volume coming into play right here for some reason. Must be a level they like. Support here for this range. Everybody's buying it, buying it, buying it. But we're inside this channel down now, so I'm betting on this fucker's going to start dropping and get out of this range. Hopefully, that's what happens. I'm using the buys from everybody's buying support right now to fuel it. So let's see what happens here. Seconds on the 5. Hoping I see just a bunch of selling momentum come into this 5-minute candle right at the end of it. That would be amazing. But we're not getting it. Damn it. This 15-minute candle closes in 5. And it's looking like a bearish order block. Oh man, there's the fuckaroos. And then there's the fuckaroos again. That 5-minute candle is beautiful starting out. That is a beautiful 5-minute candle. Right back down in the channel, breaking out of this support. This shit right here from here. Let's see if it holds that, and I will add in again. And it's not being supported. Great. Here we go with the bullshit. Back out of the channel. We're ripping back up to the fucking entry. Here we are, man. This is just doesn't end, dude. Asia. Anybody, I don't know why I'm trading at night. Just stupid. It's the stupidest thing you can do is trade at night. There's our broadening wedge. Let's see if that holds. I'm sick of this trade already. I'm sick of it. I don't want to be in it anymore. I'm probably just going to close this bitch and go about some other shit. Because it's just fucking with me over and over. Broadening wedge. It's holding maybe. Nope. I kind of drew it wrong. It's actually this right here. So it hasn't even hit it yet. Right to the entry all over again. It's beautiful. This is what everybody wants to spend their Sunday nights doing. Getting jerked around in Asia. Look at this. Straight the fuck back up. Broadening wedge held. Good. Breaking this trend back down. We have support here. This is the what needs to break. You get back in this channel and break this support here, and then it should just fucking free fall to the take profit. Because everybody keeps buying the support, and there's such a shit ton of orders under all this right here. See if the broadening wedge is going to continue to hold, or is it going to bounce back and forth inside of it. Back in the channel again. Rejection of support. Okay, man. Come on. New 15-minute and 16 seconds. Chart is looking crazy. My goodness, dude. It just doesn't stop right there, man. What is your fucking problem, people? Oh, God, this thing's gonna run right back the fuck up, dude. Jesus Christ, man. They just won't fucking stop. Holy shit. Jesus, dude. This is just absolutely fucking horrible. This is horrible price action. Like everything is being swept. You can't get a safe entry to save your fucking life on anything. Really? More fucking shop, dude. Like, just fucking send it already. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, dude. Everything is fucking swept. Oh, just fucking run it. I mean, like, what the fuck? Already, this is getting ridiculous. Just fucking run the fucking price. Run it. Really? Again? Again. Go again. I'm tired of it. I don't want to play anymore. This game sucks. They're just like just fucking everywhere. It won't literally move. It's just chopping around and slowly going down, like, and then whips up, and then an hour later it moves down a little bit, and then it whips up, and then an hour later it moves down a little bit, and then it whips up, and then it's like, I'm sick of this, and I don't want to sit here and hold this without watching it because I just don't trust Asia and overnight, and I don't want to sit here in front of this fucking computer anymore either. Look at that, dude. It's like, come on, man. Every fucking candle is being swiped. Like there's no imbalances on any 5-minute candle. All of them are swiped. And then they run straight back up. Like, and you right now, I'm sorry to say it, but like you gotta be some kind of a special snowflake to be buying right now. Seriously, I'm just telling you. You're at the top of a fucking channel. And a downtrend. Will the trend break up? Yeah, okay, well, how many of them are fucking real? But I'm getting very tired of it. Whiplash, straight up and down, straight up and down, straight up and down. And I'm trying to get like decent add-ins, but they keep whipping me to the point where all my add-ins just are not decent. Like I was thinking about adding in on this break, but it didn't break. Here we are whipping right back up again. Been adding in since fucking up here. I just want to add in. I want to add in, please. Let me add in. Stop doing this. Stop whipping everywhere and taking every eyes on all the lows and give me a good fucking add in. Add in 2 more right there. It's not bad. If we can get this structure break down, I'll put my stop finally like right here or something. Let's see. We get a true break and retest of this right here. This would be amazing. I'm probably going to dump the rest of my position size into it. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Coming back up again. I really want to break down into here and get a retest on one of these so I can add in the rest of my position and let it run. Go break even. That's all I'm waiting on, and then I'm walking away from this computer. I don't want to stare at this shit anymore. So hurry up and get there. Just rejected it again. Oh my God. Stop fighting this. Just go down. I'm literally having to trade 5-second candles to see the action to make decisions because it's just so fucking insane. That's just how you got to do this. If you want to see the actual structures built inside of straight chop, this is how I do it. I mean, this is how you got to do it, or you can't see it. And you'll just be fucking entering, like, see this drop was, you know. But you also got to know which direction to go to, I guess. But I need a break and retest of this right here so I can add in. I'm not adding in anymore until it does something like that. I need the, so I can get my full position in. And then give you something fun because this is work. Boring. Boring. Okay, so we have our support, right? Here. Lining up with a consolidation, that's perfect. And that was a nice break and retest. Follow through with it. Look at the 5-minute candle. That's beautiful. It's breaking the time-based trend line for Asia, which has been completed. Let's see if it's going to continue. Or was it false? Let's see. They're going to sweep it all, man. Everything gets swept. See? You think I'm lying? I'm not. Look at that. I already fucking did it. Instantly. Oh, don't start rotating up now. Come on. Thank you. Retest that and drop. Who loves Asia time? Oh, or overnight period. I mean, if you can catch the edges and get into like a long trend overnight and just let it run, that's awesome. But that's not even what's happening right here. Hey, look at they're just bringing it right. So fucking aggravating. What are you gonna do? Come sweep this high too? I mean, like, dude, come on, man. Let price fucking go. Look at these 5-minute candles, man. They're so wicky. No gains on any candles, just fucking wicks. Dude, if this is the way the world's gonna be from now on, because fucking everybody's a fuck up and they want to fucking war this and fight this and fucking be mad about this and whatever the fuck, dude. I don't want to get into the politics, but like that's what's causing the markets to be fucking stupid. Stupid, man. We the people, we should just go fucking just take over everything. Fuck all the politicians and everybody else. The fuck, dude. We don't need them. Don't do us any good, but get us fucking killed in wars and shit. Fucking millions of people die because some fucking politician's not happy with what the fuck's going on. Like, look at this, dude. This is insane price action, man. They just are fucking just whipping straight up and down constantly. They taking away all gains that you get over hours in a fucking split second. So annoying. Motherfucker, dude. This is about to fucking scream up here, dude. Why aren't my stops together? The hell? I better reject. The broadening wedge all over again. Are you serious? Jesus, man. Come on. Really? Oh. Be a trader. It'd be fun. Be great for you. You'll fucking love it, man. You can work from home and don't have a boss, and yeah. Believe me, they fucking lied to you. Okay? Oh, you can make Lambo money. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to draw down on this fucking trade, dude. Not going into drawdown in this trade, and I'm sick of this shit. I've been holding this for hours, and then this is what they do with it. Just rip it right back up, all gains lost, and just to sweep and probably not gonna go up. But I'm not going to drawdown. Nope. I'm already up. I don't want to go in any fucking drawdown. And here we go. Ah, motherfucker, dude. What a waste of fucking time, man. What a waste of time. And it's just a range, man. This is going to rip up, bounce off, go back down. God. And I'm not sitting here for another 3 hours waiting for it to flip back. I'm not doing it. I'm done. This fucking stops me. I'm not trading anymore. Just trading fucking US where I can just scalp it and make $5 grand in 10 seconds. This is fucking stupid. Look at this, dude. Ripping right up there, and it's going to stop me and then whip straight back down. It did it to me earlier today. I had to scalp my way back out of that drawdown, and then now it's doing it again. All right, covering commissions, putting stop right there on that fucking eye. Because I'm not going to get commissions on, not cover the commissions. And that's it. That's it for me. Go ahead, take it, please, so I can be done with this shit. Please do it. I have other work to do. Did I just like get lucky as fuck? Nope. Here it comes. Yeah, here it comes. Yep, there it is. Well, that's it, folks. This is what happens when you trade Asia. They just fucking do these massive ranges and take away all gains every 10 minutes, 30 minutes, right after you fucking spend hours waiting on the trades, and then it just fucking flips around on you, and I just don't want to fucking trade this shit anymore. Garbage price action. Look, I mean, look, dude. It's fucking just trash. Literally, like straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. Here you go. Here's your candles. Here's your 5-minute candles. Here you go. Yeah. down, straight up. Down, straight up. Down, straight up. You can't. The only way you're going to get that is if you catch the edge or you just go the massive stop loss, and I'm just not willing to do it. So. Good luck catching the exact fucking top or bottom. I don't even try that shit anymore. Fucking, you'll get it once and then you'll lose everything you got made later on trying to constantly do that shit. This is trash. Trash. And ES is running sideways too. Look at this shit, man. This is where I started shorting. It was right here. And it just keeps, look at this, man. And then I was adding in, and then at one point, my positions goes down here by the time I'm fucking with all my add-ins, trying to add in on good pullbacks, and then look at it, rip straight the fuck up. So I just, oh man. Just can't do nothing about that. Just call it a day.